Do you want to know how you can connect your social accounts to your Suno AI account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to suno.com. After you go to suno.com, you can see your profile over here. But firstly, you must sign into your account. So you can sign into your Suno AI account using your Apple, Microsoft, Facebook or Google ID. So go ahead and choose any of these, sign into your account, and you can see the profile. After you see the profile, you can see the manage account. Go ahead and click on manage account and you will find your social accounts over here. As you can see, I have already connected my Google account as my primary Suno AI account. So if you want to connect other social media accounts, you can see the connect account option over here. And you can see there are options like Apple, Discord, Microsoft and Twitter you can connect. So if you want to connect any of these, just go ahead and click. I'm going to give you an example by clicking on Discord. After I click Discord, this page will load up. This is the authenticate page of Discord. Now go ahead and click on authorize. If your Discord is connected on your PC, you can see it will directly load up. If this is not your account, just go ahead and click on not you, sign into your primary Discord account and click authorize. After click authorize, now Suno AI has been connected to your Discord account as well. So you can see that the email address associated with this account is already claimed by another user. If you want to claim the personal account, you can do that, but make sure that this account has not been connected to other accounts as well. I hope this video about how you can connect your social accounts to your Suno AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.